Good morning, friends. Today we are taking the final account, last question, and it's a very, very important question as well as it's a board question also. So, friends, let's see the topic, question number 19. So, friends, what we are going to learn in this topic is that the most important part of a sum. So, let's start. The first is we already know in final account which are the accounts that we are preparing. The first account, which one? It's the trading account. Number two is what? Profit and loss account. Number three is profit and loss appropriation account. Fourth is current account if capital is not mentioned, or then the balance sheet, right? So let's start the topic. Ready, friends? Take your textbook also. Taken? Yes. The first is you can see is that the capital and drawings is given. You can see capital and the drawings is given. And below that, I can see current account is also giving to us, right? So where we have to go? Drawings we have to go to, this is drawings because the debit balance. We have to go to which account? Current account. In the same way, 16,000, that also we have to take to current account. Capital, this will come to directly we can have to take to balance sheet. This we have to take to balance sheet, right? After that, current account. What we can say, current account is there. So we have to go to current account, 12,000 and Profulas on the credit side. Okay, now let's see. The first is the opening stock. Where we have to go? We have to go to trading account. Purchase and sale, that we have to go to, yes, trading account. Goods return, that also same, trading account. Now you can see this 7,000 and 12,000. Now what is that? On debit side, it indicates what? Sales return, while 12,000 indicates what? Purchase return. Cash and bank, what does it indicate that one? Debit side, I already mentioned to you, it always cash, while on credit side, it's a bank overdraft. So it becomes clear. That is, cash will come to asset side, while bank will comes to liability side. Clear? Then comes bills. We know two types of bills are there. Bills receivable as well as bills payable. The same, it will also come in asset and liabilities. That is current asset and current liabilities. Then comes rent up to Feb 2017. This is for rent up to Feb. That is for 11 months. We have to calculate 1 month. So that means adjustment is there. Adjustment of rent is there. Okay. Then comes building. Building comes to asset. Building comes to asset, and which asset? Non-current asset. Current year depreciation on building. Now it depends on the adjustment. If it is said that again you provide the depreciation, we have to add in the building. If it is not mentioned, no need to do. Okay. So I'm just not doing anything. I'm just writing here profit and loss. So let's see. Profit and loss, other expenses, right? No, the last category. Freight related to goods, it comes to trading. Furniture comes to asset. Which asset? Non-current asset. Then comes, friends, which one? Sale of furniture. So you can see furniture is there here. Furniture is given. So one tick, we have to deduct it from the furniture. Debtors and creditors. So where we have to write debtors? Debtors we have to go to asset, while creditors we have to write in liability. In asset, which heading? Current asset, while in liability, current liability. Salary. salary comes to profit and loss administrative. Clear? Insurance premium, that is also profit and loss administrative. And here clearly they says that 3600 for the ending on 36. That means for 3 months it's prepaid. We have to calculate it and then we have to deduct it. Clear? Bad debt and bad debt reserve, that is also profit and loss, but which it comes in the other expenses and losses. Clear? Loan of Prafula. Prafula is a partner, so it comes to liability. Liability, which one? Non-current liabilities, and plus it's an interest. Then comes wages. Wages will come to trading account. Discount. Discount comes to both the side. Profit and loss, debit also and credit also. Trading expenses. Name itself says trading. Trading will come to profit and loss. Advertisement expenses. Advertisement expense हुआ है. So where we have to go, profit and loss, it's administrative. It's an advertisement. It comes in profit and loss, selling and distribution. Selling and distribution. Then comes machinery. We can see that machinery is given and they are saying addition in the machinery. Addition of 12,000 on 31/12. So this 52,000 includes this 12,000. 52,000 includes the 12,000. So we have to do according to that. We have to provide the depreciation. Machine will comes to asset, non-current asset. Okay. So let's see the adjustment. So first adjustment I can see here is that market value of closing stock is 60,000, out of which market value of 10% good is 20% less, while market value of 20% good is 10% less. So lot of adjustment is there. Okay, no problem. The remaining goods of 42,000 is valued at 25% less than book value. So lot of interesting point is there. Second is provide 10% interest on capital, 9% on current account, and 12% on drawings. Right? That also related to partners. Monthly salary of 700 is payable to J, and he has withdrawn salary of 4 months, which is included in salary. So we have to deduct from salary. So tick mark on the salary. Fourth one. Prafula has introduced additional capital of 20,000 on 1/1/17. So that topic is related to interest on capital, right? J has withdrawn 1,000 per month on the last day of each month. So that is also a new one and very important one. Calculate depreciation on machinery and furniture. So machine we have to tick and furniture also. And furniture second tick. Prafula has withdrawn goods of 22,000 on 1/12/16, which is recorded in the sales book. It is recorded in the sales book. So we have to deduct from sales. So sales में से minus करेंगे, debtors में से minus करेंगे, और goods गया है तो उसके हिसाब से वो भी minus करेंगे. One debtor of 2,400 become insolvent and 40 per rupee dividend is receivable. 2400 रुपए लेना था, टोटल 2400 लेना है, 40 पैसे पर रुपीज रिसीव. जो नहीं मिला, that comes to friends bad debt. So friends, ready with the sum now. So we are starting with the sum now. Yes. So friends, start with the topic sum number 90. Give the heading. Trading account of J and Prafula. Trading account of J and Prafula for the year ending on 31/3/2017. For the year ending on 31/3/2017. 31/3/2017. Done? Leave around 10 lines. Leave around 10 lines. After that, give the heading profit and loss account of J and Prafula. Profit and loss account of J and Prafula for the year ending 31/3/2016. Leave around 20 lines. Leave around 20 lines. Leave around 20 lines. Then profit and loss account of J and Prafula. Profit and loss account of J and Prafula for the ending 31/3/17. Leave around 15 lines. 15 lines छोड़ दो. 15 lines. Then give the heading partners current account. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है partners current account. Partners current account. 10 lines. Partners current account 10 lines. And then prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet of J and Prafula. Balance sheet of J and Prafula as on 31/3/2017. As on 31/3/2017. 20 lines. Right? So we are starting with the sum. First of all, take your textbook with you, right? Without that, it's practically not possible. So we are starting with the sum, friends. Yes. So first information I can see the textbook is regarding capital. So where we have to write that capital. Capital, already I said to you, we can go to directly in the balance sheet. So come to balance sheet, you can see the capital is given to us, right? So I am putting the tick mark on that so I can know. So capital comes to 1 lakh and 1,40,000, total 2,40,000. After capital, I can see drawing is there. So friends, where we have to go with the drawings? Yes, partners current account, but we have to leave one line because the balance will come. So two drawings, 12,000 and 16,000. Okay. Then comes current account. So go to current account. In J we can see 4,000. In J we can see 12,000 on debit side. So debit side here. To balance brought forward 12,000. And on credit side, by balance brought forward, Prafula 4,000. After that, which one? Opening stock. Opening stock they are saying. Where we have to go? In trading account, debit side to opening stock. How much? 60,000. Purchase and sale. So go to purchase. It will come in inner column. Purchase, inner column, 2 lakhs. Purchase inner column 2 lakhs. And sales comes to 3,80,000. 3,80,000. Clear? Then comes goods return. Goods return. Debit side indicates which return? It's a sales return. So it's a sales return. While credit side 12,000 indicates a purchase return, that is 12,000. After that I can see cash and bank. It's already mentioned to you. Cash comes to asset side. Asset side cash 3,700. While bank will come to the liability side. That is bank overdraft 15,750. Clear? After that I can see bills is there. Bills. So same way, bill receivable and bills payable. Asset side bill receivable 18,000. While bill payable, it comes to 14,000. Clear? Then comes rent. What we can say rent? Rent is given on the debit side, so it's an expenses. So profit and loss account, debit side to rent 22,000. And clearly they says that up to Feb. Now what does it mean that Feb? Feb means we have the accounting year closes on March. But here they are saying Feb. So 1 year, 1 month is outstanding. So how to calculate? Very simple. 22,000, it's for 11 months. It's for 11 months. So 22,000 divided by 11, we get 2,000. So that we have to add 2,000. Plus that we have to transfer in balance sheet liability, outstanding rent. Shabda undagirudhu. Outstanding rent, 2,000. Clear? Then comes building. Building comes where? Obviously, building space is, building has the space where? On the asset, building. Clear? So building comes asset, 1,20,000, no problem. After that, current year depreciation on building. Current year depreciation on building. So in adjustment, nothing is there. So we can do in, so we can directly do in a profit and loss, other expenses. Depreciation on building comes to 12,000. Clear? Then comes freight. Freight means related to goods. So for goods, we have to write here to railway freight, 5,300. Then comes furniture. Furniture comes to where? Asset. Furniture comes to asset, 84,600. Sale of furniture is there. So obviously sale we have to deduct it. And date I can see 1/10/16 and the amount is 14,600. So date we have to compulsory, we have to write the date 1/10/16, 14,600. That is also over. Debtors and creditors. Debtors will comes to asset, inner column 48,000, 2 ticks. Creditors, outer column 16,800. After that, I can see is that salary is given to us. Salary is an expense. So salary will come to profit and loss, inner column 20,000. After that salary, point is insurance premium including 3,600 for the renting 36. So you can take the insurance premium 5,700. Now what the working is there? 3,600 is paid up to 36. That means 4, 5, 6. 3 months it's prepaid. Into 3 divided by 12. That is 1/4. It comes to 900. So minus prepaid 900, outer column 4,800. You have done the minus, it will come on the asset side. Prepaid insurance premium 900. Clear? After that, I can see the topic bad debt and bad debt reserve. It is related to 100% expenses. So bad debt and bad debt reserve. Bad debt trial balance and bad debt, it's actually not mentioned here. We have to write that also. Bad debt trial balance, we know the specimen. Bad debt trial balance plus bad debt adjustment. If it is not there, then bad debt reserve adjustment minus BDR trial balance. Right. So here some mistake is there. Trial balance is given to you. Bad debt trial balance given to you 1,000, while bad debt reserve trial balance it comes to 2,000. So let's see. Loan of Profula. Loan of Profula. Now what does it that? It's a 100% liability. So liability Profula's loan 20,000. 20,000 6% 1200, but for 6 months. But for 6 months. So it comes interest on Prafula's loan 600. And then we have to write in the transfer it in the outstanding interest on Prafula's loan 600. Clear? Wages related to goods. Related to goods 11,000. After wages, I can see discount on both the side is there. So discount will come on both the sides. Discount allowed 650 and discount received 850. Both the sides 650 and 850. Trading expenses. Trading expenses means the expense related to trading. That is also we have mentioned to you related to administrative. Advertisement expenses. Also expenses comes in advertisement expenses 8,000. Machine of 12,000, addition of 12,000 they are saying. So let goes to the machine. It will come on the asset. So you can see the machine total 52,000 is there, but working is there. So how this working will be done? I will just show how this working has been done. 52,000, in that 40,000 and 12,000. And clearly they says 12,000 has come on 31, 12, 16. So we have to provide depreciation for January, February and March. That means here we have to provide depreciation for 3 months and here it for the 12 months, or we can say for the whole year. So now we are moving, friends, towards the adjustments. Clear? So let's see the adjustment. Closing stock is 60,000, out of which market value is, so we require a good working. So first working is closing stock. How to do? Total they are saying 60,000, out of which market value of 10% goods. So first is 10% goods, that is 6,000 minus 20% less. 20% means 1,200. So we are left with 4,800. After that, and the market value of 20% goods. 20% means 12,000. Now it's a different part. It's 10% less. That is 1,200. It comes to 10,800. The remaining goods, clearly they says the remaining goods 42,000 is how much percent less? 25% less. So 42,000, 25%. I think it comes to 10,500. That we have to deduct it, right? So 42,000 minus 10,500. Yes, it will comes to you 31500. Just add all this thing. We get 47100. 4,800 plus 10,800 plus 3,100. This one. 4,800, 10,800 and 31,500 comes to 47,100. Clear? So now we have to write this closing stock. So where it comes? It comes in trading account credit side by closing stock 47,100. And second comes to you balance sheet asset side. Closing stock 47100. Second point is provide 10% interest on capital. But you remember the point, but you can see that the point in, but it has been clear in the point number 4. So let's complete the other point, then we come to that. Right, third one. Monthly salary of 700 is payable to J. I am taking the third point. He has withdrawn salary of 4 months, which is included in the salary. So we have to go to P&L approve. You can see that they are talking about salary. 700 into 12. It comes to how much? 8,400. Right. And that we have transfer here. but here they are saying only 8. Why 8? 4 months is withdrawn. 4 महीने का वो लेके गया, तो 12 नहीं आएगा. 12 minus 4 withdrawn. So 700 multiplied by 8. How much? 5,600. Which is included in salary. गलती से कहाँ लेके गया? सैलरी में चला गया. तो सैलरी में आओ, यहां से 28. नाउ ये 2800 कैसे आया? 4 मंथ्स का 700 इंटू 4, 28. तो ये हमने यहां से माइनस कर दिया. क्लियर? फोर्थ पॉइंट है, Profula has introduced additional capital of 20,000 on 117 day. अब Profula का कैपिटल हमें देखना पड़ेगा. Profula का कैपिटल है 140 और बोला है कि 20,000 बीच में आया है, तो वैसे ही हम करेंगे. कैपिटल Profula टोटल 1,40,000. इसके दो बाइफर्केशन, एक तो 1,20,000 दिखाई दे रहा है और एक 20,000 दिखाई दे रहा है. ये 20,000 में प्रॉब्लम है. ये कब आया है? 1/1/17 को आया है, राइट. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दिखाई दे रहा है 10%. सो इसका तो लग जाएगा 12,000. 20,000 का 20,000 का 10% 2,000 लगता है. बट 3 मंथ्स का कितना? 500. So 12,000 plus 500, it comes to 12,500. बराबर. अब इसको हमें लिखना है. That we have to write. So interest on capital देखो Profula में 12,500. Then comes J has ये हो गया. वैसे ही J का देना है. J का बोला है 10% दो, तो J का कैपिटल देखो कितना है? 1 लाख दिया हुआ है, तो 1 लाख का 10% 10,000, तो ये आ गया 22,500. इसे ट्रांसफर करो. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 10,000 एंड 12,500. क्लियर? इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल हुआ. फिर बोला है 9% ऑन बैलेंस ऑफ करंट अकाउंट. करंट अकाउंट पे आप बैलेंस दो, ऐसा बोला है. अब यू कैन सी करंट अकाउंट J का देखो 12,000 कहाँ है? 12,000 कहाँ है? डेबिट साइड पे. तो 12,000 का कितना परसेंट? 9%. सो बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन करंट अकाउंट 1080. बराबर. और ये चीज हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे यहाँ पे. इंटरेस्ट ऑन करंट अकाउंट 1080. क्लियर? फिर वैसे ही दूसरी पार्टी का, दैट इज Profula 4,000. उस 4,000 का 9% 360 ट्रांसफर करेंगे. इंटरेस्ट ऑन करंट अकाउंट 360. फिर बोला है 12% ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स. तो ड्रॉइंग्स देखो 12,000 एंड 16,000. अब ये भी रुक जाओ, ये भी पॉइंट है इसमें, अलग है, अभी नहीं करेंगे. चलो फोर्थ हो गया. फिफ्थ की बात करते हैं. J has withdrawn 1,000 per month on the last day of each month. तो याद है लास्ट डे में क्या लगता है? लास्ट डे हो तो 66 का इंटरेस्ट. 66 ये रहा, देखो दिखाई दिया. 1,000 इंटू 12% और 66, तो इंटरेस्ट आएगा आपका 660 J का. Profula का बोला है 110. कैसे पता चला आपको? कैसे निकाला मैंने? 1,000 इंटू 12% एंड बोला है, इसलिए 66/12. यू गेट दिस आंसर. Profula में बोला है कि 110 16 बोला है. 110, अब 110 मतलब 6 महीने का लगेगा. तो Profula का ड्रॉइंग देखो 16,000 है. तो 16,000 का 12% इंटू बराबर 6/12 करेंगे, तो 1040. और ये अब ट्रांसफर करेंगे 660 और 1040. सही है? आगे बढ़ते हैं. देन दे वांट टू से कैलकुलेट डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन मशीन एंड फर्नीचर. तो मशीन दिखाई दे रहा है, नॉर्मल है. अब मशीन में देखो मैंने आपको समझाया था 3 महीने के हिसाब से. मशीन पे 9% बोला हुआ है, तो कैलकुलेट करो। मशीनरी ये रहा 40,000 ऑन 12,000, तो 40,000 का 9% यहाँ पे है। 40,000 का 9% करेंगे तो 3600, और 12,000 का 9% लेकिन 3 महीने का, तो कितना आएगा 270। तो 3600 और 270 को प्लस करेंगे तो 3870, 48130। वैसे ही बोला है कि आप किस पे दो, फर्नीचर पे भी 5% दो, तो ये माइनस करके आएगा, उसका 5% हम निकालेंगे, राइट। लेकिन इसका अलग होगा और इसका अलग, जैसे हमने किया वैसे। 7th में बोला है विड्रॉन, प्रोफुला हैज विड्रॉन गुड्स ऑफ 2000 ऑन 1/12/16 विच इज रिकॉर्ड इन द सेल्स। गलती से सेल्स में चला गया, तो सेल्स में से क्या करेंगे, माइनस कर देंगे 2400, और आउटर कॉलम आएगा 370600। सेल्स में से माइनस करने के बाद कहां पे माइनस करेंगे, डेटर्स, तो डेटर्स में भी हम माइनस करेंगे रॉन्गली रिकॉर्डेड, राइट। अब विड्रॉ हुआ है, सामान गया है, सामान गया है तो परचेस में से माइनस, राइट। अब ये ड्राइंग्स हुआ है, राइट, ड्राइंग्स हुआ है तो ड्राइंग्स में भी आएगा, ये रहा गुड्स विड्रॉन एज ड्राइंग 2000, और इसके ऊपर इंटरेस्ट भी लगेगा। 16,000 तो किया ही है ना, साथ में 2,000 का 12%, 12%, और डेट है 1/12, तो 12,123 इंटू 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 12 करेंगे तो आंसर देगा। क्लियर। फिर बोला है कि एक डेटर है 2400 रुपए का, इंस्टॉलमेंट हो गया, डूब जाता है, और 40 पैसे आपको मिल रहा है, तो 60 पैसे नहीं मिल रहा है, तो कैलकुलेट करो 2400 का 2400 का 60%, 1440, ये भी नहीं मिलेगा, तो ये भी हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे, बराबर, ये भी हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे। बैड डेट एडजस्टमेंट, ये रहा। अब इसको प्लस करते हैं, 1000 प्लस 1440 करे तो 2440 माइनस 2000, तो आउटर कॉलम 440 आ रहा है, 440, राइट। चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलो टैली करो जल्दी से। टोटल आएगा 417700, यहां पे भी टोटल आएगा 417700, सो बैलेंस बचेगा 155400। इसे ट्रांसफर करो, 155400, इसका टोटल करो, ये टोटल करो, आंसर आएगा 79775। इसे ट्रांसफर करो 79775। अब टोटल 8255, यू विल गेट दिस वन। अब इसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो और ट्रांसफर करो इसको, राइट। सो ट्रांसफर करने के बाद ये आपको बैलेंस आएगा 15508 और 2346 है, और ये हम आगे लेके जाएंगे बैलेंस शीट में, करंट अकाउंट में, और यहां जाएगा। सो फाइनल टोटल कम्स टू 348125, 348125। ओके, एक कंफ्यूजन है सिर्फ ये बैड डेट में, एक बार आप चेक कर लेना इसे, ये तो गलत ही है, ये शायद आंसर शायद एक का थोड़े प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं इसमें, और मेरे हिसाब से तो वही आएगा। ओके चलो, सो ओके फ्रेंड्स, हियर वी कंप्लीट दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर। जो डाउट है हम सॉल्व कर लेंगे, राइट। नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद चैप्टर नंबर 4 नेक्स्ट बैच से। थैंक यू, टेक केयर।